Capture every moment in stunning clarity with today's top-rated cameras. The best video recording camera delivers exceptional resolution, smooth frame rates, and versatile shooting features, making it ideal for content creators, vloggers, and professionals who demand cinematic quality performance in every shot. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FlyFrost Video Recording Camera. The FlyFrost video recording camera delivers outstanding performance for creators seeking professional quality results. With the ability to record videos up to 8K resolution at 15 FPS and capture sharp 88 megapixel photos, it ensures every frame is detailed and lifelike. Its advanced 6-axis gyroscope autofocus provides stable, smooth footage even when shooting handheld. The 3-inch touchscreen rotates 270 degrees for versatile shooting angles, and the 16x digital zoom makes it easy to focus on distant subjects. Featuring Wi-Fi connectivity, this camera allows fast sharing through the iSmart DV2 app on Android or iOS devices, enabling quick transfers and remote control operation. The built-in IR night vision mode helps you shoot clearly in low light or dark conditions, producing high-quality black and white images. Ideal for vloggers and live streamers, it supports webcam functionality through USB connection, making it compatible with social platforms. The included external microphone minimizes background and wind noise, ensuring clear audio recording. Additionally, the FlyFrost camera comes with the lens hood for light protection, a foldable stabilizer for steady shots, and a 2.4G remote control with up to 60 feet range. Combining clarity, versatility, and reliability, it's a complete video solution for content creation.
Number 2. FJFJOPK Video Recording Camera. The FJFJOPK video recording camera offers impressive performance for those who demand professional quality visuals. It captures 4K Ultra HD video with stunning color accuracy and up to 64 megapixel photos, ideal for YouTube creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts. With 18x digital zoom and a handheld stabilizer, it ensures smooth, steady footage even when recording action-packed moments or outdoor adventures. The lens hood effectively blocks glare and prevents overexposure, enhancing image clarity in bright environments. Equipped with IR night vision, this camera allows recording even in low-light conditions, while the 3-inch touchscreen ensures easy navigation and precise control. It doubles as a webcam, enabling seamless live streaming or video chatting, and includes an external stereo microphone that captures clear, crisp audio by reducing background noise. The included remote control offers added convenience, letting users operate the camera from any direction. Whether you're filming travel content, family events, or professional vlogs, this camera provides a well-balanced combination of quality, portability, and user-friendly features. Designed for modern content creators, the FJFJOPK 4K camcorder is a reliable choice for anyone who values versatility and professional-grade results in their video recording setup.
Number 3. Tixeuo Video Recording Camera. The Tixeuo Video Recording Camera is a powerful and versatile choice for anyone passionate about filmmaking or vlogging. It supports 8K video resolution and captures vibrant 64MP photos with exceptional clarity. Featuring frame rates up to 60 FPS and 18x digital zoom, it ensures detailed and smooth footage in every scenario. The 3-inch touchscreen display can rotate 270 degrees, making it ideal for selfies, live streaming, or creative shooting angles. With Wi-Fi capability through the Hello Cam app, you can connect the camera to your smartphone or tablet to view, control, and share videos instantly across social platforms. The upgraded 2.4G remote control allows hands-free operation from up to 50 feet away, perfect for group shots or filming solo content. It also functions as a webcam via USB connection for streaming or virtual meetings, and the HDMI output lets you showcase your content on larger screens. Additionally, the IR night vision and fill light functions ensure clear, well-lit shots even in dark environments. Equipped with an external microphone, it records clean, high-quality sound.
Number 4. Suttie Video Recording Camera. The Suttie video recording camera combines high performance with ease of use, making it perfect for beginners, students, and aspiring bloggers. It supports 4K video recording and captures 80 megapixel photos for exceptional detail and clarity. With 18x digital zoom at a 270-degree rotatable HD screen, it provides flexibility to shoot from creative angles. The 3.0-inch IPS HD display enhances visibility and color accuracy, while the built-in IR night vision allows for crisp black and white footage in dim environments. This camera comes with two rechargeable batteries, each lasting up to 65 minutes of continuous shooting, and a 32GB SD card for instant use. It can also function as a webcam, offering high-quality streaming and conference video capabilities. With multiple features including face recognition, time-lapse, selfie, mute shooting, and recording while charging, it's ideal for diverse shooting needs. Although the external microphone is not included, it supports one for clearer audio capture. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry anywhere. Designed for content creators, travelers, and families, the Suttie 4K camcorder delivers an enjoyable and dependable filming experience with excellent image quality and user-friendly functionality.
Number 5. FJFJOPK 5K Camcorder Recording Camera. The FJFJOPK 5K Camcorder recording camera brings cinematic quality to your fingertips with its ability to record in 2.7K, 4K, and 5K resolutions at 30 FPS, alongside detailed 48MP photos. It features a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, 16x digital zoom, and 270-degree rotation, allowing versatile shooting from various perspectives. Perfect for vloggers and video enthusiasts, this camera also supports Wi-Fi connectivity through the iSmart DV2 app, enabling wireless transfer, sharing, and remote operation from Android or iOS devices. With built-in IR night vision, it captures clear monochrome videos in dark settings, making it ideal for low-light shooting. It can be used as a webcam for streaming or video calls, and its external microphone ensures crisp, noise-free audio. The included lens hood prevents glare and protects the lens, while the handheld stabilizer keeps footage smooth and steady. Additionally, the 2.4G wireless remote allows control within 60 feet for flexible shooting setups. Compact and well-equipped, the FJFJOPK 5K camcorder is a powerful all-in-one tool for creating professional quality content, whether for YouTube videos, live streaming, or personal projects. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.